almost across.
I have to from home.
If you also want to create a video and go viral, this video is perfect for you. I will explain the complete process step by step, showing how you can make an AI cinematic film-style video easily using any prompt. Watch every part carefully and remember each step to create your own amazing video. Get free 3 free Pro version. We're also giving 3 lucky users a free Pro membership, giving you thousands of credits to create unlimited AI videos with ease. But here's the exciting part. Drop your honest feedback in the comments. Tell us what can be improved on this website and how many free credits you think users should get. The smartest and most helpful comment will win a free Pro membership. So don't skip, don't scroll, stay till the end, because this opportunity could be yours. Now let's get started. It takes only 5 minutes to begin, and what you'll learn next might surprise you. We are giving away 3 memberships. To enter, you just need to sign up for Video Inu and leave a comment with your thoughts or suggestions for improvement for a chance to win. Okay, let's start. First, open your YouTube channel and find cinematic film-style images like these. Save or download the images to your device. After that, you need to place these images into one image, just like I'm going to do. First, go to the website videoinu.com. Once it loads, click on Start for Free. After that, select Log In and sign in using your Gmail account. As soon as you log in, the website will give you 500 free credits to get started. Video Inu is an excellent website for creating truly cinematic and realistic videos. It produces high-quality visuals that look lifelike and professional, making every scene feel authentic. The platform is user-friendly, fast, and perfect for content creators who want stunning, real-looking videos without complicated software or technical skills. First, open ChatGPT, then upload all the images you have collected and simply write this. I want to create a story about this exact type of character. Please create the same kind of character for me and give me a short, cinematic story. Also, give me 15 scene image prompts and make sure the character stays the same in each prompt. Then ChatGPT will take a little time and generate an extremely good and impressive AI image scene prompt for you with high quality and amazing details. You can choose to get a short prompt or a long, detailed prompt. Completely up to you. The length of the prompt depends on your preference, and you can make it as long as you want. Once the story prompt is ready, you can view it and start using it. After that, I will come back to Video Inu, as you can see. Then I will click on the AI video option, and after clicking it, I will select the image option. As you can see, there are many options available here that you can check. Seedream 4.5 is a very good option. There are also other options like Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro, and I will explain how to use them later. For now, we will only click on Seedream 4.5, copy the ChatGPT prompt, and paste it here. You will see that the image generation will start immediately. The best advantage of this website is that it creates images in just 5 to 10 seconds, very easily. You can also use it. It's an excellent website, and this is how the image is generated. I create images here, and the results are extremely high quality. You can generate HD images ranging from 2K to even 4K. In this way, I simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT and keep pasting it here. Step by step, you can see how I complete the entire process and create the image easily. Video Inu is an exceptionally powerful and impressive website for AI image generation. It allows users to create high-quality, visually stunning images with ease, even if they have no design experience. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to generate images in full HD and even 2K resolution, delivering sharp details, vibrant colors, and professional-level results. The platform is fast, user-friendly, and suitable for content creators, YouTubers, marketers, and designers. With simple text prompts, Video Inu transforms ideas into realistic or creative visuals, making it a reliable and time-saving AI tool for modern digital creators. Now all the images have been created, very high quality and exactly the way I wanted. Next, I will use the Nano Banana tool. The advantage of this tool is that it allows you to create AI images completely according to your own choice. For example, as you can see, you have full control over how your AI image looks. As you can see, this image has text on it, and I want to remove that text. So I simply upload the image, and in the prompt box below, I write simple words like, "Please remove the text on this image." You only need to write it in very simple words. In just a few moments, it will generate the same image without the text, exactly the way you want. As you can see, the image is ready and the text has been removed. Next, we can upload another image. For example, here there is an old man, and I want to replace him with an old woman. I upload the image and simply write, "Please remove the man in the scene and add a woman in this image." I keep the prompt simple. In a short time, the image generation starts. This is a very powerful and amazing tool. You can use Nano Banana Pro to create images exactly the way you want. Every part of the video is important, and this tool helps complete the video perfectly. Now the image is ready, and to create an AI video, we click on the Image to Video option. After clicking it, the AI video creation option opens. As you can see, there are many options available, such as Sora, Sora Plus, and Kling 2.0. You can select any option you like. I first select Sora 2, then upload the image. After uploading the image, I copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. You can see that the AI video creation starts immediately. In a short time, the video will be ready. Now you can see the result, how amazing and impressive it is.
I have to from home.
The output is in HD quality, and the video looks truly outstanding. Now I am creating another video. This time I use Kling 2.6 because it is the best and most advanced option. I upload the image, then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. As you can see, the AI video starts generating immediately, and in just a short while the result is ready. You can see how amazing and impressive the video looks. The output is truly fantastic. You should also try this website. It's very powerful and excellent. Now that all the videos are ready, I will download them and then open CapCut to continue editing. Finally, I will use CapCut to edit the last video. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. Perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here I will edit my video, add effects, and make it fully ready. As you can see, the video is complete. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions about the video, feel free to message or comment, and I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another method. Thanks for watching.